to celebrate various momentous moments. I am what you say, a ghost, not really here, passed on. So, we're gonna do three things. We're gonna talk about Iggy Pop, we're gonna talk about light bulbs, and we're gonna talk about ego. They're all related. So, the first one, well, we'll say, as a young panda boy, I dreamed of being Iggy Pop. Because he was fabulous. This man over here agrees. The second one, I'll tell a joke. How many Pandrews does it take to screw in a light bulb?
How many? How many?
Well, yeah, how many is it? I'm telling the joke wrong already. But anyway, I stand like this with the light bulb in my hand. I'd like you all to join me right now. Hold the light bulb. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for the world to revolve around us. Alright, this is good, this is good. This is the bit about ego. But now what we're gonna start to do, we're gonna start to swirl just a little. Everyone start to turn individually. Turn the light bulb, turn the light bulb. This is good. This is the sort of participation. We remember we all make this happen together. So, this is good. But again, it's about ego. It's about everyone's ego in this moment. Just the fullness of the big ego. And so, now I'm gonna move on to my prepared remarks, what I've been brought here for. I have prepared remarks. So we all know the fabulous Chop Chop, the monkey of years past. He's gonna be joining me soon in the realm of the ghost. It's going to be good, he's dying. It's sad, he's a sick monkey. A very sick monkey, as we all know. Prepared remarks, he wrote me some things. So, in talking about these moments, about you being here, you're here to celebrate something he needs to do before he passes on. It's a really blessed event. We're coming on for this moment, this event. We're all gonna celebrate in it. The rest of the remarks, right? So we're gonna put our hands together for this fabulous, egotistical machine! This machine that is holding a light bulb, a giant cardboard light bulb above their hands! They're waiting for the world to spin around them. Everyone, hold the light bulb again, hold the light bulb again, hold the light bulb again. Now we all turn again. Turn the light bulb, turn the light bulb. Bring this moment together. Yes, turn the light bulb. I present to you the fabulous, the wondrous, from Providence, Rhode Island, Boston Jr., the One Cheer Brigade! The One Cheer Brigade! Not the song, not the cue! Not the song! You can't do anything right!
point to the front of the audience, because the monkey babies will get these folks dancing.
Yeah, baby!